Hey, it's Derek with the Outdoor Lifestyle Vlog. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the series. This one's called Road Back to the Track. If you're new, behind me I got an IMCA dirt modified. And basically the last test session, a whole bunch of stuff in the rear end broke. And the series is short episodes of me repairing it and ultimately hopefully getting it back out on the track. So in the last episode we replaced a bent swedge tube. And come to find out, maybe that lower left rear one is supposed to be bent, so may have to swap that one back out and with the bent one, or put what's supposed to be on there. But that's what happens when you're learning as you go. So I'm new to this, so that's what this is all about. So unfortunately, I thought these bird cages were salvageable, but they are bent up pretty good on both sides, so I'm gonna have to replace those. So that's what this episode's gonna be, is me replacing the left rear bird cage. Got our new one right here. Gotta give a huge shout out to Matthew Lance at X Factor Motorsports. He's our newest sponsor, and he hooked me up on these, and that is the only reason that I have these this quickly, is he gave me a great deal on those. He is really awesome to deal with. Super fast shipping, answers you quickly, gets stuff out in a hurry, and he has awesome deals on new and used parts. So if you're in need of that stuff, give him a holler. There's his information. I'll also put a link in the description. But X Factor Motorsports, that's our newest sponsor, and he hooked us up big time on these bird cages. So this is probably going to take me longer than it should, like usual. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse, and I will see you after that. We successfully got the old birdcage off and the new used one on. Saw the biggest issue was the welds from the previous brake bracket weren't smooth, so it was getting caught on that, both coming off and going back on. So trying to smooth that out with a DA sander, and probably wasn't the best thing to use, but it eventually worked. Just took a little longer, but that's what I had laying around, so that's what I did. So again, huge thanks to Matthew Lance at X Factor Motorsports, our newest sponsor. He's the one that got me these bird cages at a smoking discount. So there's his info one more time. If you need new or used race parts, he's an awesome guy to deal with. And I know some of you guys came over from Gavin Hunyady's channel. He's been helping me learn about these too. If you don't know who he is, he's another dirt mod racer in Michigan, and I've been helping him, and he's been kind of mentoring me and help me get more familiar with these cars, because I'm a little in over my head here. So if you don't know him and you enjoy racing content, I'll put a link in the description to his channel as well, and you can check that stuff out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.